Hi there, this is your friend Virendra dear. My very basic purpose of life is to render immense service to the mankind, and for this I am always in search of knowledge, enlightening path which can really guide us to be happy and joyful and to be cheerful in life. When I talk happiness, I must define it. Happiness is that inward state of perfect satisfaction which is joy and peace, and from which all desire is eliminated. The satisfaction which results from gratified desire is brief and illusionary and is always followed by an increased demand for gratification. So, beloved friends, I wish you should be cheerful and always strive to be very, very happy in your life. But to be happy, you have to sacrifice unwanted desires, because your desires become the root cause of suffering. As several times I have reminded, to be very successful in life, you must have a burning desire, an intense desire, and obsessed desire. Then you must decide and persist continually with a proper planning for the attainment of a definite chief aim in life. That desire is called aspiration, the definite purpose and goal of your life. That is very, very must. But unwanted desire, cravings for things which you do not need in life, that desire I am discussing here before you. Desire is as insatiable as the ocean and clamors louder and louder as its demands are attended to. It claims ever increasing service from its deluded devotees until at last they are struck down with physical or mental anguish and are hurled into the purifying fires of suffering. Desire is the reason of hell, and all torments are centered there. As Buddha said, the root cause of suffering is desire, and who has conquered his unwanted desire, he has become enlightened and he is real Buddha. He will never be suffering in life if he has been disciplined and he has controlled his mind and focused towards aspired noble paths where there is only prosperity and happiness. Giving up of the desire is the realization of heaven, and all delights await the pilgrim there. I sent my soul through the invisible, some letter of that after life to a spell, and by my soul returned to me and whispered, myself am heaven and hell. I myself am heaven and hell. Heaven and hell are inward states. Sink into self and all its gratifications, and you will sink into hell. Rise above self into the state of consciousness, which is the utter denial and forgetfulness of self, and you enter heaven. Beloved friends, your life will be heaven. Just believe in yourself and concentrate your mind on noble path of selfless service to the mankind. There you get real peace, joy and happiness. I thank you very much for being enlightened and having a life full of joy, peace and happiness. The sky is the limit for you. Grow into wisdom, control your mind, calmness, peace, joy, with right thought, noble thoughts. And always remember, the tempest souls, wherever you are, under whatever conditions you may live, know it well. In the ocean of life, the happiness of isles are awaiting and smiling for you. The sunny shore of your promises of happiness is awaiting you. Keep your hand firmly on the helm of these noble thoughts of selflessness. In the bark of your sword recline the commanding master. He does but sleep. Wake him. And once you really realize what is true happiness, you will be really enjoying the blessedness. I thank you very much. This is Virendra Diyar, wishing you all the best in life. Thank you very much indeed.